Guys, try natin yung chutney ng Indian. Kerala chutney. Ito, coconut with chili. Ito, chili with tomato. Try natin guys. Ito nilagay ko sa akin kanji. OMG, may manghang. Try din natin yung coconut with chili. Yung niluto ko kapon na scarlet. Hot, but nice. This is more nice. The tomato and the chili. Nice, this one.
Which one?
This one. The tomato and chili. Put also only in the bread. Nice.